Hi everyone, my name is Jay Ferraran Kalikdan. Just call me Jay or EJ. I am 21 years old and I am an introvert person and I currently live in Purok Alum 2, Sitio Tubor, Barangay Guma, Digos City, Philippines. I have four sisters and one brother and I currently take a course Bachelor of Science in Agroforestry and Davao del Sur State College, and I like hiking and farming, and that's why I take this course. Um, my inspiration include achieving a strong foundation in agroforestry by excelling in course pack, conducting impactful research, and graduate exact date and year. While personally, I aim to develop critical thinking skills, cultivate lifelong love learning, and contribute positively to my community. And professionally, I aspire to utilize my knowledge and expertise to as a agroforester, like leading a team by continuous honing my skills and taking on leadership roles within my field. For 5 years from now, I see myself as a manager of the Department of Environment and Natural Resources, CONDNR, that allow me to make decision and manage a team. The step do I need to take to reach my goal? First, put God. Keep trying hard and don't give up. Believe in yourself and always think positive like it's for your family future and you should be and I should be a strong foundation of a goal. In this degree, I will become a leader of sustainable agriculture, unlocking diverse opportunity in agroforestry, environmental consultation, and forestry. Be specific, show enthusiasm, and be realistic. In conclusion, continuing my education and both professional development leading to professional growth and showing that I valued self-improvement. Thank you and see you. Goodbye.